Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of easy and elegant Christmas candle holders. So what you'll need from EFavormart, you're going to need some of these icy gems, and they're from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree you will need 1 pack of these mini glass bowls, and you will need 2 of these pedestal candle holders, votive holders from Dollar Tree. I am going to be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use additional items or alternate items, I will have those listed in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these easy and elegant candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.